welcome to the Teeny or Tinkers channel. I make ball jointed doll and craft related content. I have an unboxing. I was just about to start another project. I'm reworking Teeny Tinies. I'm actually, you're not going to see this, but I'm going to be streaming, kind of putting some of the process, if not all of the process, like in TikTok lives. So I've got a ring light here so I can record overhead so I can compile footage into an actual like video later, but because I'm sure it's going to take me hours and hours just to clean them up, which is step one. But anyways, I have a doll unboxing and I'm like, let's do this before I start getting messy, which is right as this was delivered. So whew. So I had mentioned before, and some of you might know, I used to have a Simply Meant to Be, oh my gosh, okay. I used to have a Simply Meant to Be Dohwee. It's obscure kind on Instagram, but I needed the money, and I was like, I don't even like boy dolls, which like, I think I've just been going about them wrong. I'm actually making a boy doll myself, hopefully for next year, but I saw this one go up on the marketplace. Well, actually first I tried to join their third pre-order, but like I filled out the form and like a bunch of people, like half of us, most of us, in this side of the world, like didn't get to complete the pre-order. I'm not entirely sure what happened, if I'm gonna be honest, but I was like, oh, okay, but like I didn't pay for it or anything, but they just didn't take as many spots as they got, I guess, or they got too many requests. But I found this one on the marketplace, and I believe this is from the last pre-order. So I went ahead and I was like, okay, this is the moment. He's coming back. So I used to name my dolls like character names, but then I started making my own dolls, and like I cannot keep up with all their names, so I just use the sculpt names now. Formerly known as August, but he's gonna be Dohwee. Here forth. A bunch of this. I did ask them to remove the face up and everything because I want to paint him myself. So I have a little note. Thank you so much for giving my Dohwee a new home. Best of luck to you in your customization journey. Tried to do a quick face up removal. I apologize if it's not the best. Okay, so I might have to remove. I use Liquitex matte medium varnish, so it should come off with another round of isopropyl alcohol. Please feel free to reach out. Okay, that is fine. And then, okay, we're making a mess. And then it's not taped, it's just tabs at the bottom. Should I open it this way? So he looks like he's in a fabric bag. Or he's just covered by a fabric bag? Yeah. It's like a pillow. It's very long. He's a very tall boy though. Like, I don't think he'll be as tall. Like my Hierophant will be, I think my Hierophant will be taller than this, I mean. But, and then when I make my boy doll, he's gonna be like a short little guy, so it's gonna be real cute. I'll have to do like a boy's photo. But, oh yes, and I got him in the, like this is in the tanner color. I had him in like the super pale one before. I don't remember all the resin color names. But, I'm just like ripping through him. He does have some seam lines, that does happen. Especially with tanner dolls sometimes. Okay. He's also a little loosey-goosey, which is also okay. He's a lot loosey-goosey, that's okay. He says, I cannot stand. He doesn't have junk, which is actually something I like. I've had boy dolls with the junk before, and it looks weird sometimes in their pants. That sounds really weird maybe, but I have a strong preference for boy dolls that are like Ken dolls. I will also be sculpting mine like a Ken doll because, but he's super cute. He's got a swivel joint here. Yeah, like he's very loosey-goosey. And this pops out like this. Wow, yeah, we need a restring. But, so he can pull his leg up. Maybe he's from one of the earlier pre-orders. I didn't even ask for a year. That as long as they're in good shape, I never really care what year they're from. But he sits pretty flat. But he's like tall for an MST. Like he's a tall boy and lanky. He has beautiful hands. I think it's can we focus, please? Beautiful little hands. Yes, this man desperately needs a tightening. Okay. And then we have his manual. This cute little photo in the back. Is this COA in there? Yeah, it is. Okay. It's the back of it, but it's right there. I'm just going to leave it in there. This will be his head and his extra hands. This is just extra fluff. But he's got some fist hands. Oh, and his teeth pieces. Oh my god, I forgot he has teeth. I love dolls with teeth. They're so cute. I usually just sculpt the teeth right in. But this is super cute. I don't know. I might have to do a doll with teeth like this one day because it is much easier than painting the teeth white inside the mouth, I gotta say. And then, oh, his magnets have fallen right out. That's okay. We will just glue them. And yeah, most of the face up is off. I will give him another quick wipe, but what a handsome boy he is. He's so cute. Like, look at him. And then, yeah, there's another pillow here. I don't usually keep the boxes. I'll consider, but there's a lot of cushion happening, and I'll have to find something to do with the cushion. But yeah, that's basically, because I have to wipe his face up, and because I have to restring him, I'm not going to get too into kind of setting him up right now, because there's no point. But I'm really excited he's home, and I'm excited to put him together. Yeah. Oh, also, cute little detail in his neck hole. Look, it's a heart. And then his head back is also a heart. Like, tell me that's not the cutest thing ever. Yeah, I'm looking forward to customizing him. I have to paint him and my Loopy and my Nora. Menorah. It's like it sounded weird the way I said that. But he's so precious and soft. I'm really excited, and I'm so happy to have him home. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. It's a short one. I will be painting them. I'll like do some face-up videos on this channel for the dolls I just got in. So yeah, if you're already subscribed, thanks for subscribing. I'm just playing with him. If you're new here, I hope you like the content and consider subscribing. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day.